Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about eggplant, and I've got some suggested flavor combination and some suggested dishes that eggplant has commonly been used in, and so hopefully this will help to give you some ideas on what to do with your eggplant. First of all, you can try combining eggplant with balsamic vinegar, basil, and oregano. That really sounds good to me. How about combining it with balsamic vinegar, tomatoes, and zucchini? That sounds really good. Combine eggplant with basil, ricotta, and tomatoes. That sounds like a lasagna. How about combining eggplant with bell peppers and garlic? Combine eggplant with bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, and zucchini. That sounds like another Italian dish to me. How about eggplant with cheese like mozzarella, Parmesan, or ricotta, plus tomatoes? Another Italian flair, even Greek. How about combining eggplant with chickpeas, tomatoes, and pomegranate molasses? Now that's something really different. Combine eggplant with cucumbers, garlic, mint, and yogurt. That sounds like a Middle Eastern dish to me. How about eggplant with dill, walnuts, and yogurt? That's a different twist. Or with feta cheese and mint. Or garlic, ginger, scallions, sesame and sesame oil, and soy sauce. That's a little different. Try combining eggplant with garlic, lemon, olive oil, and tahini. How about with garlic, Parmesan cheese, parsley, ricotta cheese, and tomatoes? There is another Italian flair there. How about garlic, tomatoes, and zucchini? Or herbs of your choice with lemon juice and olive oil. Yeah, it would go a long way into like a nice little salad type thing, even hot. And combine eggplant with pasta, pesto, ricotta, and walnuts. That's an interesting twist. Eggplant has been used in African cuisines, Asian cuisines, baba ganoush, which is a Middle Eastern dish. It's a type of thick sauce or dip. Caponata, casseroles, Chinese cuisine, curries, eggplant Parmesan, which is always good, eggplant rollatini, stuffed eggplant. It's been used in French cuisine, gratins, Indian cuisine, Italian cuisine, Japanese cuisine, Mediterranean cuisines. This stuff is used around the world. Middle Eastern cuisines as well. Moroccan cuisine. How about moussaka in pasta dishes? Pesto, eggplant pesto sounds interesting. Pizza, how about putting it on a pizza? Or a ratatouille, which is a typical dish that we would use with eggplant and risotto. Salads on sandwiches, Southeast Asian cuisines in spreads, stews, stir fries, and Thai cuisine as well. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you like to flavor eggplant in a particular way. It'd be nice to add it to the list. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.